Good morning. So today we're going to look at surface area. Surface area of a shape is basically how much wrapping paper you would need to cover the shape, or paint if you were painting a box or something. And it's the area of each face added together. So if you imagine you were given this as your question, find the surface area of this cuboid. You've got to imagine that it's spread out like a net, and you want the area of each of the faces all added together, and that would give you the surface area. So the easiest way to do it, and to keep track of what you're working out, is to list the sides that you've got. So you've got a top, a bottom, a left, a right, a front and a back. We know that for this shape, for a rectangle and for a square, it's just a case of base times height, base times height. So I've listed them down here. The top and the bottom are both the same size. In this case, the left and the right side are also that measurement, and the front and the back are slightly different because it's a square face. So you work out the area of each, you add it up, and then it's centimetres squared because it's area. With volume it's cubed, but with area it's squared. Okay, so we need to remind ourselves of how to do this for prisms. Again, same principle. It's the area of the face and the area of the sides all added together. So with a triangular prism, you've got a front and a back that are both triangles, and we work out the area for a triangle, base times height divided by 2. And then you've got a left side and a right side and a bottom. So you've only got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 faces. Cuboid's got 6, triangular prism has got 5. So again, I'm going to list them to make it easier for me to add up. So I've got the front and the back are both triangles, which are 6 times 10. 6 times 10 divided by 2 is 30. Same for the back. Then this side here, I've got 5 centimetres, which is this length here, by 15 centimetres. And then the bottom, again, is slightly different. That's 6 centimetres by 15 centimetres on the bottom. Add it all up, and we've got 300 centimetres cubed. The main thing with a triangular base pyramid is to remember the triangular prism is that with triangles you've got to do base times height and divide by 2. Don't forget to divide by 2 for a triangle area. Then trapezium is a little bit harder to remember how to work out the area of a trapezium. There is a song, but I won't put you through that. But it's basically half the sum of the parallel sides, so top plus bottom, times the distance between them. So 12 plus 17 divided by 2, half the sum of the parallel sides, times the height. So front and back are going to be the same, they're both going to be trapeziums. Left and right, you've got this length times the depth. So, and top and bottom are going to be slightly different. So you've got the measurement here, 12 by 10, and this one is 17 by 10. So again, make yourself a list of front, back, top, bottom, left, right. Work out all the areas, add them up, and that comes to 918.5. So I think the only tricky thing, surface area is dead easy if you can remember how to work out the area of all the different shapes. So trapezium, circle, rectangle, square and triangle. If you can remember how to work those out, the rest of it is easy because it's just a case of working out lots of different areas and adding them all up together. We'll go over cylinder on a separate video. Have a go at these questions and see how you get on.